My name is Juan Sandoval. Today is January 30th, 2022. This is Module 1 assignment for Indiana Institute of Technology, MBA 6310, Project Management. In this video, we will talk about the role of the Project Management Institute, or PMI, its role in the project management industry, and its offerings to young professionals like me interested in becoming a certified project manager. The Project Management Institute is the most renowned and most significant provider of licenses and credential services in the project management profession. The PMI is a US-based global nonprofit membership association founded in 1969. It currently has over 700,000 members worldwide, and it is headquartered in Newtown Square, Pennsylvania. PMI provides advocacy for project management in many different ways. One way that PMI engages with the public and advocates for project management professionals is by providing recognition and offering the Distinguished PMI Project of the Year Award, among other awards and nominations. PMI's two most important standardization tools are its Project Management Body of Knowledge Guide, which contains the standard terminology and guidelines for project managers all over the world, which is used to ease their communication and collaboration. The second important tool that PMI offers to professionals is the Organizational Project Management Maturity Model, which is a tool to understand and assess the ability of an organization to implement its high-level strategic planning by successfully managing individual projects. Most importantly, the Project Management Institute also provides 8 different professional certifications, which include the Project Management Professional Designation, which is the gold standard in project management. It is recognized and highly demanded by organizations worldwide. The PMP validates our competence to perform in the role of project manager, leading and directing projects and teams. Next is a Certified Associate in Project Management, which is a certification that demonstrates our understanding of the fundamental knowledge, terminology, and processes of effective project management. The PMI Professional in Business Analysis is a certification meant to highlight our experience in business analysis. It is meant to spotlight our ability to work effectively with stakeholders to define their business requirements, shape the output of projects, and drive successful business outcomes. Fourth, we have the Program Management Professional Certification, which is a certification designed for professionals who manage multiple complex projects to achieve strategic and organizational results, among 4 more accreditations. Next, we have the Portfolio Management Professional Certification, which recognizes the advanced experience and skill of portfolio managers. The PFMP demonstrates our proven ability in the coordinated management of 1 or more portfolios to achieve organizational objectives. Next is the Risk Management Professional Certification. This is a certification to prove knowledge and experience in the specialized area of assessment and identification of project risks, along with plans to mitigate threats and capitalize on opportunities. Next is the PMI Scheduling Professional Certification. This certification recognizes demonstrated knowledge and advanced experience in the specialized area of developing and maintaining project schedules. Lastly, we have the PMI Project Management Ready Certification. The PMR introduces high school and post-secondary students to the concepts and skill sets of project management. The Project Management Institute provides a journal for peer-reviewed project management research, as well as it provides grants for conducting project management research. Lastly, the PMI provides educational opportunities on a local, national, and global platform through conferences and expert-led Q&As, through its offices located worldwide, and at their online forums.